What is up guys, I hope you all are having a great day. My name is Maras and in this video we'll be talking about the Vivo Nexus. So I think this phone has changed the mobile community, or you can say the smartphone industry, a lot, as it really revolutionized the whole community and the industry, along with that providing some features that were needed for about 2 to 3 years. And finally they are in the Vivo Nexus. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video. So let's start. The main feature that anyone could recognize by looking at this phone is the futuristic look. If you see the phone from the front, all you see is the screen with about 93.2% screen to body ratio, which is, I think, absolutely brilliant. And this phone is about 50% or maybe even 60% made on the concept phone, which was the Vivo Apex, which is a concept and will always remain a concept, but most of the good features of that phone are in this phone, and this phone is available in the market right now. And the second thing is no notch, which gives the phone the 93.2% body ratio, as the notch increases or decreases the space on the screen. So the phone is not truly bezel-less. It does have a chin, but it is ignorable as it is even smaller than the chin of the iPhone 10 without a notch, which makes it a really perfect phone in 2018 and a really hard competitor for companies like Samsung, Apple, Sony, LG, etc. So I think that the phone really revolutionized the industry and the way the people think. And the additional features to this are the same like the latest Snapdragon 845, 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs or 256 gigs of ROM. And the most and the best feature of the phone, other than the screen to the body ratio, is the pop-up camera. So as usual, you find two cameras on the back, with one being 15 megapixel and the other being 20 megapixel. But there isn't any camera on the front, as there is nearly whole screen or a bezel-less display. So where is the camera? The camera pops up from the left of the phone, not really the left, on the top left of the phone, which makes it really look awesome, but at the same time a bit suspicious, because moving parts in a phone is not a really good idea, and with that they lose one thing, which is water resistant and is really important in phones in 2018, especially the flagships. But still, the Vivo Nexus is a pretty good deal. And the final feature is the in-display fingerprint. We have seen the in-display fingerprint in the Vivo X21, and Vivo was the first company to introduce the in-display fingerprint, and I think it is the only company. But still, the phone is pretty good and it nearly covers everything that you would want. A bezel-less display, no notch, and a really good fingerprint scanner. Though it is slow, but still it gets the job really quickly. Now I want to talk about my thoughts. That is it really worth it, or is it just a fail like any other Vivo phones which are not really good in the market? I think it is 50-50. It does not depend on you this time, but it really depends upon the company, as some people like moving parts, but still they are a bit suspicious about these parts as they can really broke. But Vivo has guaranteed that this camera, the selfie camera, can be taken up and down 50,000 times, which is above the normal uses of a selfie camera of a normal person. So I think Vivo has really done a good job, and they really get a big thumbs up on this invention of their own, and they are here before Samsung. But it is not about the one who does it the first, it is about the one who does it the best, even if it is after 10 years, just like Apple does with their products. But still, it is a really good jump in the future, and I think it will go well for Vivo. But still, they have to work on some things that could really improve their phones more and would also provide more features to the user. So that was all for today's video. I hope you had a great time watching the video. And if you really liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you really loved it, please be sure to subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. My name is Maras, and I will see you in the next one. Stay tuned. Bye bye.